Hey guys, what's up? We're here at Toyota Calamba and we have an appointment today 1 PM. Ipapasok natin sa insurance because of my bumper. So pakita ko sa inyo guys later. Alright guys, full park, full house. Alright, we got Toyota Veloz, whether that's G or V, Avanza, and look at that, the all new GR Yaris. Tapos yung kabila So yun guys, as you know, over the last month nagkaroon tayo ng tama dito. So yan, we'll have it fixed and dumating na yung parts from Indonesia. It took 4 weeks. So ito, they said they're gonna replace the bumper and ayan. So everything 10 days daw. So let's see. We're here and yun guys, check it out. Look at that GR Yaris. So punta na tayo sa insurance guys. Alright, let's go. Alright, so it's gonna be here for 10 days guys. We're just waiting for the guys to do the checklist. And of course, we're gonna have bumper replacement dito sa Toyota Calamba. And once again, just to let you know guys, your insurance ko is Oriental Assurance. It's not direct. So yung cons is that I had to do the transaction, coordinate it with the coordinator and also kay Toyota. So yun, until I get the LOA, stuff like that, pass it and submit it, things like that. So yun yung disadvantage guys. If in-house, mas madali because you'll just have to give the requirements and then sila na yung bahala and everything. Alright, so yun guys, let's wait for 10 days and hopefully all good, and I'll see you on the next one after the replacement. Alright, bye guys.